as most everybody knows, the Oneida Nation has existed in this region since time immemorial. You know, many years ago, and through the years, our people have experienced a lot of different changes, from the early colonial times to today, and life for us has certainly improved in the last 20 years or so, and so it's always, and whenever we do this, it just brings to mind, you know, years ago when things weren't as good as they are today. We didn't have a clinic, we didn't have a gaming operation, we didn't have a lot of what we have today, so we can be very thankful for what we have, and I know I certainly am, in the council, through the years that we've worked together, have done something that we wanted to do to make sure was the whole concept of what we're doing was to try to improve the quality of life for our people. And companion to that is to improve the quality of life for the community in which we live. And so what we've done is not like a typical corporation or a business, that the first goal is to profit and make as much as you can, which is nothing wrong with that. It's just that, fortunately for us, we're able to merge, not only trying to be successful, but to try to make sure that it makes a better life for our people and the community in which we live. And that's the idea behind thinking about what our decisions do, what our decisions are, and how they affect the seventh generation to the future. So it's always a pleasure, and it's always good when we can announce new progress for the nation and what it means for our members and what it means for our community. And today is one of those occasions, and we are pleased that everyone could join us here today. That could come out, even though it's a little damp, but I think it's beautiful. It's a blessing. In a tradition, a light rain like this is just a blessing from above. We've always been invested in the health and well-being of our people and providing them the opportunity to live a life that the Creator intended. It's one of the cornerstones of our commitment to the seventh generation. We pride ourselves on being the forefront of economic developments that allow us to continue to live up to those responsibilities. So today we're pleased to announce that construction is now underway on two new state-of-the-art healthcare facilities that will introduce exciting new healthcare options to our members, our employees, and the community. These two new facilities, the Oneida Nation Health Services and Bassett Oneida Health Care Center, a primary care practice, will open early next year, and it'll be conveniently located here at Dreamcatcher Plaza. Great parking. These projects will create numerous construction jobs and many permanent healthcare jobs once it's completed. Our health services, which has been providing nationally accredited and award-winning health care already to our nation members and other eligible American Indians since 1991. They will relocate here to its current location, from its current location on Territory Road. The new and more easily accessible facility will consolidate all of the Oneida Nation Health Service offerings into one location, providing a substantial upgrade to the quality of care delivered to the patients. American Indians have long experienced poor health care quality when compared with other Americans. Lower life expectancy, higher rates of diabetes and other chronic diseases, and high rates of suicide are broad quality of life issues rooted in economic adversity and poor social conditions that many American Indian communities face. However, the United Nations provided a powerful contrast that shows how to deliver outstanding health care that produces positive results. Our mission has always been to provide quality holistic health services aiming for total client satisfaction and maximizing all available resources. The relocation of our healthcare center to this new conveniently located state-of-the-art facility brings with it new technology and expanded services such as on-site laboratory and radiology services. Thanks to our partners, the award-winning Bassett Healthcare, all of this is being done to meet our original goals and to help our members and clients receive the highest quality care. We are also excited to announce that Bassett Healthcare Network will be opening a new practice here at Dreamcatcher Plaza, bringing its industry-leading primary care services to our area, The new Bassett, Appreciate your support. The new Bassett Healthcare Center will greatly benefit our members, our 4,500 employees, and the entire community by making primary health care available on a wider scale. Recent reports have shown that an extremely high percentage of people in the area go to the hospital for primary care services. We are addressing this issue by offering the community a conveniently located facility with the latest technology and more primary care providers. Bassett brings with it innovative leadership and expertise in preventative care, with a strong focus on care management and management of chronic diseases. The new brand practice, which we'll hear more about shortly from Dr. Vance Brown, will be open to the public and also to the United Nations' large employee population. We will be investing millions to revitalize this plaza, including a complete upgrade and remodel of the existing building and the two new healthcare facilities will be located. And beautiful new landscaping designed and maintained by our grounds team, which is the same team responsible for our award-winning championship golf courses at Turning Stone. We are once again enlisting Jeremy Thurston of the Heener Hoyt Corporation and Pat Costello and his team of local trade workers to help us build our new healthcare facilities. These types of partnerships and economic developments are made possible through the mutually cooperative relationships with leaders such as Dr. Brown, Dr. Hennigan from Bassett Healthcare, Pat Costello, and Jeremy Thurston, who share the vision we have for our community. We are proud of what we've been able to do, what we've been able to accomplish, and we look forward to this next step in building a better and brighter future for the next the seventh generation. Thank you for being here this morning.